Are you wondering what this Ouabache State Park structure is and where it is located? Hi, I'm Shelley, a member of Friends of Ouabache State Park, also known as Friends of Ouabache State Park, a volunteer group committed to promoting and preserving our state park. I will reveal in a moment where I am located in Ouabache and what this is, but first, for your next visit, our History Committee would like to invite you to try a fun self-guided park history tour using the clues provided in CCC Come See Our History. This is how it works. As you enter the park, the front gatehouse has an information box where you can get a copy of CCC Come See Our History pamphlet. If you prefer to just take a photo with your cell phone, copies will be placed in some of the bulletin boards in the park. Inside you will find 20 clues listed in a suggested route. 18 can be viewed by driving, although biking and walking would also be fun, and 2 clues are bonus clues which require some hiking to discover. Note each clue is labeled with a letter that can be referenced on a map provided on the back. You may also be interested in the QR code located near the photo on the bottom left. By using a QR code app on your cell phone, you will have access to some interesting historical photos collected by the History Committee for each clue. So let's do an example clue that will reveal where this structure is in the park and what it was used for. The clue labeled L says the following: Camp Water Tower, located near the pump house in the current youth tent area. CCC Company 1592 from 1935 to 1941 would have used this structure. The water tower and camp buildings no longer exist, but the base to the water tower still survives. As you can see, the end of each clue has a discovery question for you to answer, so let's answer the one for the water tower base now. How many concrete legs remain? It does kind of look like a table. From historical photos that are not clear enough for us to share today, we know the above water tank would have had a round shape, which I think is interesting because the base is definitely square. The answer to the question, how many concrete legs remain to the base of the CCC Camp Water Tower, is easy: 4 legs. So you may be wondering, what was the CCC? Let's travel back in time to a tough period in our nation's history and think about the positives that came from it. In 1929, the unemployment rate was 3%, but following the stock market crash, unemployment in the U.S. rose to 25%. One group hit hard during this time was young men. So in 1933, when Franklin Roosevelt became president as part of what is known as New Deal programs, the Civilian Conservation Corps was established, which employed men ages 18 to 25. CCC workers received $30 per month, 25 of which was sent home to their families. While serving in the CCC, the men learned valuable trade skills while completing conservation and public work jobs. The CCC changed the life of every American then to the present. Its far-reaching results still go on. So a visit to Ouabache State Park honors the legacy of the Civilian Conservation Corps. Here we enjoy time outdoors, have gatherings in the shelters, fish in the lake, and even climb a lookout tower. These examples are monuments to the work of CCC Company 1592. So we hope you will come out and try our CCC History Hunt, made available by the Friends of Ouabache State Park. And most importantly, as you enjoy your next visit to our park, we hope that you will be reminded that although times are sometimes tough, things will get better and positives can come from those times.